This quick video is about how to download Google Photos, images and videos to your iPhone camera roll on iPhone. Okay, let's see. First open Safari app. Then open Google. Then type photos.google.com. Now open this link. If it asks you sign in, just sign in with the same Gmail account where backup has done. Yeah, here you can see all your backupped photos and videos. And to download these images and videos, tap these three dots and click on Select Photos. Now select the photos and videos you want to download. Once you selected, then click these three dots and tap Download. Download. Here you can see that. Yeah, now it's done. Now just close this and open Files app. Downloads. Yes, here you can see the zip file. Just touch that. Now it's unzipped. And open this. Yeah, here you can see all your downloaded photos and videos. And to move this to Photos app, tap these three dots, select, then click on Select All. Now touch this Share button and tap Save Images. That's it. Now open Photos app. Yes, here you can see those photos and videos. That's it for now. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.